There are many temples of Lord Shiva all over India. Some of the famous ones are those that we all know about. But today, we are going to see and know about 5 mysterious temples of Lord Shiva which you may not have heard of. So, stay tuned till the end of this video. Hello friends and welcome to the Divine Tales. Number 1 on our list is Stambeshwar Mahadev Temple. This temple is situated in the middle of the Arabian Sea. First discovered in 150, the mention of this temple is seen in the Mahashiv Purana. The Shivling of this temple is 4 feet high and 2 feet in diameter. This temple of Stambeshwar Mahadev disappears for a moment twice a day, that is, once in the morning and once in the evening. After some time, it comes back to its same place. The reason behind this is attributed to the tides in the Arabian Sea. Due to this, devotees can visit the Shivling of the temple only when the sea waves are completely calm. The Shivling is completely submerged during the high tide. This process has been going on since ancient times. A special leaflet is distributed to all the pilgrims who come here, in which the time of the tide is written. This is done so that the devotees can come here and worship the Shivling. Apart from this, there is a story associated with this temple. According to the legend, the demon Tarakasura did the harsh penance of Lord Shiva. One day, Lord Shiva got pleased and appeared in front of him. He asked for a boon. After that, as a boon, Tarakasura asked Shiva that only Shiva's son should be able to kill him, and that too only when he is at the age of 6 days. Lord Shiva happily gave this boon to Tarakasura and disappeared. As soon as the boon was received, Tarakasura started to create havoc in the 3 worlds. Due to this, all the deities went to Lord Shiva. At the instance of the gods, Shiva with his power produced a son with 6 heads, 4 eyes and 12 hands from the white mountain pool named Kartikeya, after which Kartikeya killed Tarakasura after 6 days. But when Kartikeya came to know that Tarakasura was a devotee of Lord Shiva, he became very tensed, guilt and upset. Lord Vishnu asked Kartikeya to build a pagoda at that place to help him calm his mind. Lord Kartikeya did the same. Then all the gods together established the Vishwanand pillar at this Sagar Sangam shrine, which is today known as the Stambeshwar shrine. Number 2 on our list is Nishkalank Mahadev Temple. The temple stands in the Arabian Sea, 3 kilometers off the coast of Kolyak in Bhavnagar, Gujarat. Every day the waves of the Arabian touches the Shivlings here. It feels as if these waves are doing Jal Abhishek of the Shivling. Many people go to visit this temple barefoot. For darshan, devotees have to wait for the tide to calm down. At the time of the tide, only the pillar and the flag of the temple are visible. Seeing this, one cannot even guess that in the sea there is an ancient temple of Lord Mahadev. This temple is said to be from the Mahabharata period. It is believed that in the Mahabharata war, the Pandavas killed the Kauravas and won the war. But after the end of the war, the Pandavas came to know that they have committed a great sin by killing their own relatives. The Pandavas went to Lord Krishna to get rid of this great sin, where Sri Krishna handed over a black flag and a black cow to the Pandavas for freedom from sin. He asked the Pandavas to follow the cow and said, "When the color of the cow and flag turns white from black, then you should know that you have got freedom from this sin." Also, Sri Krishna said to the Pandavas that at the place where this miracle will happen, you should do tapasya to please Lord Shiva. After this, the 5 brothers holding the black flag started following the black cow. They all went to different places for several days, but the color of the cow and flag did not change. But when they reached the Kolyak coast in present-day Gujarat, the color of the cow and flag turned white. This made the 5 Pandava brothers very happy. They started to meditate to please Lord Shiva. Lord Bholenath, as we all know, was pleased with their penance and gave his blessings to 5 brothers in 5 different linga forms. The same 5 lingams is still located there. There is also a statue of Nandi in front of the 5 Shivlings. The 5 Shivlings are on a square platform there. There is also a small water pond on this platform called Pandava Pond. The devotees first wash their hands and feet in it and then offer prayers to Shivlings. Since the Pandavas were liberated from the sin of killing their brothers by coming here, it is called Nishkalank Mahadev. In the month of Bhadav, Amavash, a fair is held here. It is called Bhadravi. People come from far off places on every Amavas day. People believe that if they put fire on the pyre of loved ones on the Shivling and put in water, they will get salvation. Ashes, milk, curd, coconut are offered to Lord Shiva in the temple. Fair begins with the unfurling of the temple flag by a descendant of the Maharaja of Bhavnagar. The next on the list is Achaleshwar Mahadev Temple. There are many temples of Mahadev in India by the name of Achaleshwar, but Achaleshwar Mahadev Temple in Dholpur, Rajasthan is different from all other temples. This temple is located on the border of Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. This place is famous for Chambal. This temple of Lord Achaleshwar Mahadev is situated between these inaccessible ravines. Shivling of this temple changes color thrice a day. The color of Shivling is red in the morning, saffron in the afternoon, and the color of Shivling becomes dark in evening. No one knows the mystery behind change of Shivling's colors. This temple of Achaleshwar Mahadev is also very ancient. This area of Chuka temple was famous for bandits, due to which less number of devotees would visit here. The road to reach here was also very rocky and bumpy. But as people started to know about this Shivling, a crowd of devotees started gathering here. Another unique thing of this Shivling is that the depth of the Shivling have not been discovered till date. It is said that long time ago, devotees dug it to know the depth of the Shivling, but even after digging deep enough, its end was not found. Finally, the devotees stopped digging and accepted it as a miracle of God. Devotees believe that Lord Achaleshwar Mahadev fulfills all the wishes of the devotees. Number 4 on our list is Lakshmeshwar Mahadev Temple. It is believed that this temple was established by Lord Ram at the behest of his brother Lakshman after they killed Khad and Dushan. There is a Shivling in the Garbhagruh of Lakshmeshwar Mahadev Temple, which was found by Lakshman himself. There are 1 lakh holes in this Shivling. Hence, it is also called Lakshlinga. It is believed that out of these 1 lakh holes, 1 hole is what we call Patal Gami in Hindi, because all the water that is poured into it gets absorbed onto it. But 1 out of these holes is called Akshay Kund because it is always filled with water. The water offered to Lakshling is also believed to go into this kund behind the temple because the kund never dries. The Lakshling is about 30 feet above the ground and is also considered to be Swayambhu Linga. The last on our list is Bijli Mahadev Temple. One of the most amazing temples of Lord Shiva is the Bijli Mahadev Temple in Kulu, Himachal Pradesh. The entire history of Kulu is connected to electricity. The ancient temple of Bijli Mahadev is on a high mountain where 2 rivers meet in Kulu city. In the entire Kulu valley, it is believed that this valley is in the form of a giant snake. It is believed that this snake was slaughtered by Lord Shiva. Every 12 years, a bolt of terrible lightning falls from the sky on the Shivling where the temple is located. Shivling of the temple is damaged due to the lightning. The priests here collect the fragmented Shivling piece and connect it back with the butter, commonly known as makhan in Hindi. After some time, the Shivling changes into a solid form. By the way, did you know that there are total of 108 Shiva temples in the world? How many have you visited so far? Please let us know in the comments. If you liked our today's video, then do subscribe to our channel The Divine Tales English and give it a thumbs up. Until next time, take care and be happy.